Hello and welcome to Maths Aid TV, here at Step-Aside ETSS. We're your hosts for the year, Ross and Fergal.
Hey, how are you? Welcome to Steam HQ 2.0, the new building. We've got a lovely view. You can see the stream and loads of houses. We're going to do a quick video on the equation of the line. I want to start off with a piece of simple algebra. You were asked to get the value of x, and the question you were given is as follows. 12 equals x over 6. Okay, so you need the numbers on one side and the letters on the other. So really what we want to do is we want to get that 6 moved over to the same side as the 12. So what we do is, because the 6 is divided here, if we multiply this side by 6, this 6 and this 6 will cancel, leaving us with only the x on this side. But because we multiplied the right side by 6, we have to multiply the left by 6. So we're left with 6 by 12. 6 by 12 is 72 equals x. If it's divided on one side, we move to the other and it becomes multiplied. Is a really basic way of saying that. If it was multiplied on one side, move it to the other, it becomes divided. If it's plus, move, it becomes minus. If it's minus, move, and it becomes plus. Okay, next little bit. We're going to have a go at something here. So we're going to choose 2 points. I'm going to choose point 1, 2, just here. And I'm going to choose 4, 6, which is there. Okay, I need to follow the formula for the equation of the line. Here is the formula. We need to be really careful that we follow it very closely. So let's look. Y minus y1, so we need a point, equals mx minus x1. So we need 1 point and we need to find out the slope. Okay, to find out the slope, there's a little bit of work we need to do. We need to start with our 2 points and we need to look at rise over run. If you'd rather work it out by formula, that's fine, but I think this is handy. If we look at rise on the y-axis, from where the first point is to where the second point is, we're going from 2 to 6, so we're rising 4. The run, we are going from 1 all the way up to 4, so the run is 3. The slope in this case is 4 over 3, and it's a positive slope. Because going from right to left, we are moving upwards, moving up the hill. Okay, first part. Second part is we need to choose one of the points. So let's choose 1, 2. That's our point. And we're going to label that x, as always, is first, x1, and y1 is the second. Okay, so let's go back to our formula. Our formula says that y minus y1, which is 2, equals m, so slope, times x minus x1, which is, over here, number 1. We have a, could I cut on a spare? We have a fraction on the right hand side. We don't like that. That 3 is divided, so we want to get it over to the other side. To do that, just as the algebra on the previous page, we multiply all of the right side by 3, and if you do that, what happens is the 3 is cancelled out. So this big 3 will cancel out the smaller 3, and on this side you're just left with 4 times x minus 1. That's highly simplified. I'm going to do it quicker next time. Because you multiply the right by 3, you have to multiply the left by 3. 3 by y minus 2, 3 by y is 3y. 3 by minus 2 is minus 6, equals 4x minus 4. Formula of a line, equation of a line is always x, y, number. So we have our 4x. We need to move our y over to that side of the equals. Minus 3y. We need to move the minus 6 over. It goes from minus 6 to plus 6. And that'll all be equal to 0 because there'll be nothing left on one side. So then we're left with 4x minus 3y. And minus 4 plus 6, which is plus 2, equals 0. There is the equation of the line. Really, I suppose the equals to 0 should have been on this side, but conventionally, generally, we put it on the other side, so I'm just going to move it across. It doesn't make any sense, it's just 0. Okay, job done. Let's go one more example. Okay, we're off again. I gave you a simple example of algebra. I did one example that only involved positives. The place some people fall down on these is with negative numbers. So let's go for negatives. Let's go minus 4, minus 6. And let's go minus 2, minus 2. Okay, so looking between those 2 lines. And our job is to follow the formula. So, first thing we need to do is we need to work out the slope. Slope is m. we're going to do it by rise over run. What we're going to do is we're going to look along the y-axis first. We're going from -6 as far as -2, so we're rising 4. The run, we're going from -4 only up as far as -2, so we're moving 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. The slope is 2. Is it positive or negative? If you think about it, going from left to right across the graph, this is moving upwards, so it'll be a positive. Now, let's start it. Formula, sorry, even before we do a formula, what point do we use? Let's use -2, -2 as our point. Now if we do that, this is x1 and this is y1. So now we can go to our formula, y minus y1, so that's -2, put it in brackets, be really careful with it, equals slope, which is 2, times x minus x1, which is also -2, be careful, put it in a bracket. Minus by minus is plus, so I'm setting up with y plus 2, equals 2 times x, 2x, minus by minus is plus, so that's plus 2, 2 times plus 2 is plus 4. A little bit of rearranging to do. I'm going to move the y across, and the 2 across, I'll be left with 0 on this side. I'll have 2x minus y, if we change from plus to minus, so we go across, plus 4, and I'm going to have minus 2 if we change from plus to minus, so we go across. 0 equals 2x minus y plus 4 minus 2. Plus 2. Okay, and as I said, conventionally, we'll have equals 0 on the other side, so I'm just going to write that on the other side. The equation of the second line job delta.
And that's it for Maths Aid TV this week. Hope it was a help, and don't be afraid to ask questions. And don't forget, we've got a weekly maths challenge. Correct answers on a slip will get you a thumbs up plus 5.